Here is Bluesky app, and I finally got an invite. So yeah, and this is what you can see here. It looks like it's just very minimalistic version of Twitter. However, it was trending in the top charts in social media category in US App Store, so it's already released to the App Store. You can get this app. However, yeah, it's still private beta and it's invite only. So you can kind of download it, but you need an invite to get in, and then you will just see the screen like that. So here how the app looks like. Yeah, you can just post. You can add pictures. There is 256 character limit. Here is your profile. Here is home. You get some notifications. I already have 13 followers here. Go ahead and follow me. Then you have your profile. You see your previous post and replies. You can edit your profile, add avatar, and then just share your profile. Then there are some settings. Here you can sign out. You can change your handle. So yeah, a lot of people try to get into this app right now to reserve like first name handle or like some cool username in case this app really takes off in future. Also here you can register with your own domain, which is a new thing. So you can have like Alice at alice.com username. So yeah, this is the whole scene with these new decentralized apps. And then yeah, here you can just delete your account if you want. Like a lot of people will just ask like, what's the point of this app? It just looks like a very simplistic version of Twitter. So the whole idea is behind this backend, as I understand, because it's based on AT protocol. And this is like the first step of, like making social media decentralized. And this app is co-founded by Jack Dorsey, who is co-founder of Twitter. So there is a lot of hype around it. And yeah, so the whole idea would be that you kind of just log in with the app, and it's much easier to get banned or to get like some moderation or stuff like that, and to kick you out of the platform, because ideally you can just take your username, your followers, your content, and move to another protocol or to another server, and you can just take it out with you, while the app is just a kind of like a front-end layer with which you have access to the protocol. So that's, as I understand, that's where it's going right now. There is another app, Mastodon, of course, which is based on another protocol. So Bluesky Social is based on AT protocol. Their own protocol which they are building is different from Mastodon. Then there is another app called Damus, which is being built on Nostr protocol, which is another one. So there is kind of like a fight of these protocols. And yeah, the whole idea would be that you'll just be able to switch between these servers, or I don't know how they're called, relays, and you just move your followers within those servers, and kind of that makes this app much more decentralized and much harder for someone to block you, to kick you out of the platform, to remove all your following and all of that. So it's a bit more protective towards that. So as I understand, in a nutshell, maybe like I don't completely understand myself how it's supposed to work and all of that, but it's just interesting approach. And maybe it will really take off in future, because a lot of people are really not happy with centralized social media such as Twitter or Facebook, where it's actually when one person, one like board of directors just owning this company and can take different decisions, and all content, everything just depends basically on these people. While here, ideally it should be different. Yeah, however, I think there still should be a major use case where we see exactly like, okay, in this situation, Twitter really sucked, and like Bluesky Social really dominated it. Or maybe there should be some, wild political discussion or something like that, where Twitter was really bad for it, and Bluesky and other decentralized apps are much better. Maybe right now is the case actually when a lot of people are looking for alternatives for Elon Musk Twitter, and Bluesky is one of those. And yeah, maybe like decentralized apps where will be immune to this kind of things when some person takes over the platform, some part of audience like it, some other part of audience doesn't like it. Then there is another owner, and it's again like there's always some part of people who don't like it. There is some kind of moderation. There is some kind of algorithms which constantly change, and you can't do anything about it. By the way, there should be probably like an open algorithm here with this AT protocol. So there is a lot of things which are quite exciting around it, but so far this is just an app where people are posting different pictures of cats and different images of this blue sky, which is like the theme of this app. Sometimes the sky isn't that blue, but yeah, there you have it. Check out this app, pretty cool.